While working to become a better leader, it is crucial to identify and enhance your basic leadership values as a starting point. Understanding what your leadership values are and what key leadership principles you wish to include in your leadership style will help you in improving your bonding with your team, also allowing you to become a more effective leader. So, what is the significance of leadership values? Leading with values is crucial because it helps you to define how you want to reach your objectives and what type of a leader you want to become. In making decisions, forming judgments, and taking action on daily basis, your core leadership principles play a crucial role. Leadership ideas also aid in personal and professional development. As a leader, having a strong set of core values can assist you in fostering respect and trust among your team members. This lays the foundation for you to have a good influence on your team, which will drive high performance and excellence in all that you do. My name is Sonali Pednekar and I am a Lean Impact Business Specialist. I have helped more than 100 companies to up their game by increasing profits and setting up quality standards that win them customer delight. Today, we will see the 7 leadership values that a great business leader should possess. Value 1. Vision. Vision refers simply to have clear understanding of your goals and objectives as well as a plan to accomplish them. When it comes to leadership, vision is crucial core value since leaders must be able to communicate effectively with their teams about the company's objectives and why they are vital. Second value is honesty. When it comes to being a trustworthy leader, honesty is one of the most important values to possess. Being open and upfront with others when discussing a subject is what it means to be honest with them. Transparency and honesty are intimately associated with one another. The fact that others know they can rely on things you say and promise helps them build their trust and respect in you, which helps you to be a better leader. Let me give you an example. While working for a multinational bank as an operations manager, I had an extremely efficient team working with me for the loans dispersal. We would receive loads of calls from the bank branches to expedite dispersals for high-profile customers. One day, we received a file from a very high-profile customer for the dispersal of a loan worth a few crores. Now, we all knew that these customers were very important to the bank. As one of the staff was scrutinizing the file, he found something not right, but he thought it might not be right to stop the loan disbursement. So he let it through. I would have meetings with my team every day to discuss important issues, and that is when I asked him about the file, and he said it is being processed, and he stopped right there. I then checked the file myself and smelled some smoke, so I took it to be re-inspected to the credits department. I had a discussion with the team that we cannot let these kind of issues pass by. Not only did we find out that the loan recipient was a fraud, but we also got an award for being the one department that was most seamless and having uncovered many such frauds in the later dates. Value 3. Integrity. Integrity relates to being real and honest as well as deciding always to do the right thing. A strong sense of integrity is vital in leadership because your team members need to know that they can trust and appreciate what you do and say. They also need to know that they can rely on you to deliver on your commitments. Value 4. Dedication. Dedication is a firm commitment to a single work, principle, or purpose that has been established. High levels of dedication are demonstrated by strong leaders towards both their organizations and their team, as well as towards the work they undertake. They demonstrate their commitment by following through on the agreements and persevering through difficulties in order to attain their objectives. Because of their great degree of dedication, they inspire others to demonstrate the same level of dedication to their job. Value 5. Empathy. Empathy is defined as the ability to recognize and understand the feelings and emotions of others. It's also about how to respond to their actions and behavior in a way that demonstrates your knowledge of their sentiments. Strong relations with your team members enables you to assist them in overcoming their personal and professional obstacles, which ultimately lead to increased efficiency and productivity. Value 6. Influence. Influence is the ability to persuade and motivate others to believe or act in a given way in order to achieve specific objectives. It is a defining attribute of leadership because it implies the ability to empower people into selecting particular behaviors and beliefs rather than forcing them into such actions through micromanagement. Last but not the least, resilience. I personally feel that in these times, resilience is the most important value a business entrepreneur must possess. Resilience is defined as the ability to cope with adversities and bounce back fast from the setbacks, problems, and hurdles that you may meet. In order to achieve their objectives, it is critical for leaders to be resilient in the face of several hurdles and roadblocks. In addition to improving efficiency and production, building resilience can assist you in dealing with problems and concerns as and when they arise. Where do you rate yourself when it comes to these values as a leader?